Good afternoon, dear children. Today we can start second term portions. Are you ready? Okay. Our first chapter is the land of dense forest. The land of dense forest. What is dense forest? Kodumkadu. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This region is known as equatorial region. Which region is known as equatorial region? The region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is known as equatorial region. This region has hot and wet climate. Hot and wet climate. The Democratic Republic of Congo lies in this region. It is the second largest country in Africa. The first largest country in Africa is Algeria. Okay. Congo has an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometer. The area of Congo is 23.5 lakh square kilometer. The equator passes through the northern part of this country. Congo is located in Central Africa. It is surrounded by 9 countries. 9 countries are surrounded by Congo. Look at this map. You can find out the neighboring countries of Congo. River Congo, the second largest river in Africa, flows through this country. This river is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. River Congo is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. Congo lies in the center of this river basin. What is river basin? River basin means a portion of land drained by a river. ഒരു റിവറിനാൽ വെള്ളം കിട്ടുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങളെയൊക്കെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? റിവർ ബേസിൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ലാർജ് ലോ ലൈങ് ഏരിയ കവേർഡ് വിത്ത് റെയിൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റ്. Congo is surrounded by mountains and plateaus. Towards the northeast lie the Rwenzori mountain. In the northeast of Congo, there is Rwenzori mountains. Mount Margarita is the highest peak in this range. Mount Margarita is the highest peak in this Rwenzori mountain. The country has 4 major lakes. What is lake? തടാകങ്ങളുണ്ട്. Which are they? Albert, Edward, Kivu and Tanganyika. Albert, Edward, Kivu and Tanganyika are the main 4 lakes. These lakes lie along the eastern boundary of the country. Okay. Today this is enough. Now we can write one question answer. First question, where does the Democratic Republic of the Congo lie? Answer, the Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region. It is in Africa. You can write this question answer in the notebook and study. Read the textbook also. Thank you.